If you work on a college campus and you're responsible for bringing speakers to help your students, what could be more valuable than teaching them great communication skills? That is what my keynote, Would You Hire Yourself, is all about. I'd love to share details with how my keynote will help your students understand personal branding and overall better communications to improve their chances with potential employers. I'm Glenn Rudin. They call me the Message Master because I specialize in helping students improve their messaging that improves their chances for career success. Hit the link on my site and set up a free call with me. I'd love to come to your campus and help your students be better communicators. I hope to see you soon.